Hi everybody, my name is Dima. I'm CEO of company Reconsale, and today I'll try to explain you what we are doing. We start with the problem, and we are solving problem of the absence of connection between the store and the person. There's something like connection between the people when we support each other, feel each other, and living with each other. So why we don't have it, and we solve it with our tool. So our technology is personalization, and personalization is something which can make your store be specifically relevant for every specific person. So you obviously have a lot of assortment, but every single person needs maybe 10, 5, or even 1% of your assortment if you have a big store. So we have a technology which make your store like specifically created for a specific person, so super dedicated. And this is all based on artificial intelligence. We have a complete platform with all technologies which are necessary to solve this task. So our personalization engine include AI algorithms of top-notch technologies. We have expertise from the best US companies, and we also have a A/B testing framework, customer data platform. We have business rules, governance, analytics in order to make it happen. So we're able to consume all behavior information about a person in order to know it perfectly. And this perfect feeling and empathy of the person allow us to propose every single person best possible proposals. So we support almost all possible personalization use cases. It's a personal search. Then you understand words you're using, recommendation, which we're trying to suggest you something based on AI algorithms which could be interesting for you. Engagement using like something like relevant pushes and support with the different content after purchase, which helps you to use it. And also journey, then we completely living with you together and help you to support your life cycle using different technologies to support you. So our ultimate idea is to create the personalization market. The all proposals and providers coming into and consumer meet them, and we basically provide some connection between all each other in order to find best possible matches. Then person finds best possible product to solve a problem. And this market will be not like something limited. The all players will be playing in that market, and it will be super targeted because we would know the consumers very well, and we will know proposals very well because all peers are entering market completely independently. So let's go to the demo. We created some simple dummy bot, which is photo store bot selling some photo equipment, and we just ask you to remember two different categories of person, like pro photographer and tourist. So let's try to watch the demo. Again, our platform basically has a personalization flow procedure which combines AI and different business rule methodologies in order to bring magic in very complete and consistent way. So here you see one of the personalization flow, which just go user through the different algorithms depending if it's new user, if you have a strong history, if we have a small history. We're using different algorithms in both cases. We're able to use different filters, boosters, and A/B testing for optimize the flow, and basically every specific person which comes to this personalization flow in own use case receive the relevant output out of that, which is a recommendation. So let's go through the demo. Again, we remember we have a pro and tourist guy. So right now we're changing to try to see what the pro guy, which is registered for the bot, will receive. So we expect in here some kind of the professional product because of his history. We know that guy is actually buying the pro stuff, and you can see here that it is like professional lens, professional camera, and memory card. And let's switch to the tourist guy, and you will see that this is obviously different set of the product. So the experience in this bot is already personalized. It's all running on real AI algorithms, so it's real demo. And you can see the tourist receiving something like small camera, like action camera, or some selfie stick, which helps him in on tour. And we basically also can show something which is real time. And let's imagine we are preparing some guest customers, so just first time coming to the store and coming to the boat, and be able to start personalize his experience in really a real time manner. So let's imagine this guy is trying to go through our catalog and, for example, shows some interest in real time. We can see that this guy is trying to browse the pro cameras, DSLRs, and after that we basically able to know that he's interested in pro stuff. And in very single session here he will receive the new recommendation just crafted just minute ago. And you can see that actually system is trying to recommend him the professional cameras, basically because his latest action shown his interest about that. Also, we support like continuous engagement. You can see that this professional guy actually receiving some kind of recommendation of recharge the kit, like recurrent stuff, and push actually ask him if you have a loss of paper, please try to repair stuff. And this push actually is relevant, I believe. Also, system knows that he has a professional camera, and probably he can extend it with some new macro lens and gives him new abilities. And if the guy actually bought the stuff, we also support him with some content which is relevant in that case, because macro is kind of tricky way of doing photos, and some content can help them to use. Yeah, run one more demo here. It's like a simulation of the store experience, and camera just see a style of guy and showing his specifically different content in the screens or in the site, in store, and anything. And you can see like different kind of guys are receiving different style, because they obviously variant it. And site is not like same for all, so this is personalization case as well. Yeah, and we also want you to show something like we use as analytics. So we have a complete package. Analytics is key here. We have basically almost all of the necessary KPIs tracked in real time. It's activity, it's a conversion, it's a average order, each attention, all the counts, session counts, some averages between the session, and count of the unique customers, different segmentation splits which show the activity of segments, and some RPV. We have also bounce check, we have activity in different manners. So our framework is kind of customizable in order to solve different type of customers problems. So basically this is a demo we like to show, and we're happy you guys see it. So